In prime-time news this evening, rush on courts as traffic ticket offenders try to bail. Media workers attacked at a St. Catherine-based primary school. And 8 Americans nabbed on cruise ship plead guilty to possession of cocaine.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, a major British company, and that is a financial institution, is looking to pump about $10 million into another crowdfunding institution. And I'll give you that and more in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Spencer. Spencer, what do you have coming up for us in sports?
Thank you, Herman. Well, the pairings for the round of 16 at the World Cup have started to take shape. We'll tell you much more about that in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, weather, and here's our feedback question for this evening.
Our question this evening, we're asking, what do you think should be done to instill more discipline in students?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.